Today we're walking through a practical seasonal tree maintenance guide built specifically for landscapers and groundskeepers, covering irrigation, support, protection, and fertilization. Let's start with the foundation, keeping your trees watered. Newly planted and young trees need consistent, deep watering to establish strong root systems, and even mature trees can struggle during dry spells or inconsistent rainfall. Depending on your region, here's some good options to consider when deciding how to keep your trees hydrated. Gemplers tree watering bags. These slowly release water directly at the root zone over several hours. That deep, slow soak encourages strong downward root growth instead of shallow surface ones. Tree watering rings are also ideal for larger trees or multi-tree installs. They distribute water evenly around the base and conserve runoff. Tree diapers are great moisture retention tools. They hold water and release it gradually, reducing evaporation and helping stabilize moisture levels. A soaker hose delivers slow, steady moisture along the root line with minimal waste. It does require being connected to a hose, so it isn't ideal if your trees are in a field or far away from a spigot. Pro tip: deep watering once or twice per week is typically better than frequently shallow watering. You'll need to also consider the soil type. Sandy soils drain faster while clay retains moisture longer. No matter what the weather throws your way, drought, wind, unexpected heat, having irrigation solutions ready keeps your trees on track. Now let's talk about supports. New trees need stability, especially in windy areas or high traffic sites. Bamboo stakes. They're durable and strong enough to support young trees through early growth stages. Tree ties are designed to secure trees without damaging bark and allow a little flexibility. Trees need slight movement to develop strong trunks. Stakes should typically be removed after the first growing season. Leaving them on too long can actually weaken the trunk development. Now that your trees are watered and supported, it's time to protect them. Young bark is vulnerable to equipment damage, rodents, and deer. You'll want to consider using tree guards to help protect your trees. Wraparound guards protect trunks from mower damage, gnawing pests, and harsh environmental exposure. Guards also help promote healthier growth by preventing physical stress to the bark. And while you're keeping an eye out for damage and pests, fertilizing your trees will also help growth and improve resistance to pests and disease. Fertilization promotes strong root development and faster recovery after transplanting. If you start to notice any changes in your tree's growth, do a soil test. That will help you determine what exactly your tree needs. Maybe you need nitrogen for growth, phosphorus for roots, or potassium for overall resilience. Apply fertilizer in early spring or fall for most tree species, and avoid over-fertilizing. Too much can stress roots and create excessive top growth. So I hope this guide has helped you feel equipped and prepared to keep your trees healthy. At Gemplers, we have all the essentials you need to keep your trees healthy and your crews prepared. Visit Gemplers.com to browse our store.